Do you see how enthusiastic he is right now to start this?
Latino Engineering Closet Style Edition.
Alright, so today is the day that my husband and I are going to be tackling our closets. He has his own and I have my own. And we're going to be using the KonMari method by Marie Kondo. And we are going to absolutely empty everything out of our closets and put them on our bed and start decluttering, getting rid of stuff that we don't like anymore. Now, we have pretty big messes in our closet just because we focused on the house and other rooms more than we have our closets. We just kind of put them off, but now we're finally getting ready to tackle them. So let me show you what they look like. Okay, you guys, this is going to be a little bit embarrassing because I'm not holding back. You guys are going to see the state of my closet. Now, to the left here, you're going to see that my husband actually has two little sections right here just because his closet is a lot smaller than mine. So I let him have those two little places to hang his clothes. Everything else is mine. All right, so when you enter to the left, you have that little section where he's got his clothes. And I have all of my shoes. Yeah. A lot of those shoes from when I used to work, and I've been a stay-at-home mom for a while, so to be honest with you, I don't use a lot of those. And then I have a really messy jewelry area right there, and I got my purses. Yeah, this is bad, you guys. And then over here, I just scarves. I've got more purses and just miscellaneous stuff hung right there. And there's my little step ladder. And I even have, yep, those are Christmas bows, you guys. So to the left I have jackets. I have some, I guess, some joggers and some jeans up there. Oh my God, this is really bad. Then I have like clothes folded. I don't even use half of that stuff, you guys. And then to the right, I got more shirts. In the back, I have all my dresses, both the short and long. So yeah, just in boxes that I haven't even looked at since we moved in. So if you're not familiar with Marie Kondo, she does have a book, and I'll link to it below. I actually purchased it myself and read it. She has a Netflix special series, and it's about a few episodes long. It's maybe 8 episodes long. It doesn't really go into depth. The book does go more into depth, but you can definitely check it out to get some information on what you need to do. But basically, the first thing you need to do is take everything out of your closets and create one huge pile like the one you see here. This crazy mountain of clothes, and we're gonna start working on this mountain, and we're hoping to do it all in one day. Pray for us. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is pick up each article of clothing and touch each and every one of them. If they spark joy, then you keep that item, and if they don't, you literally thank your piece of clothing and you let it go. And yes, I totally thank my clothes, you guys. And as you can see, I had more than my husband because I was left by myself. Of course, after everything was sorted through, then it was time to either hang your clothes or fold them. And yes, we totally folded them a Marie Kondo style. I will show you guys later in the video. You guys, this is the pile of clothes that we ended up getting rid of. And no, this does not even include our shoes, you guys, even though you wouldn't think so because my husband's not wearing any right now. Oh my gosh. We freed up so many hangers, you guys. Now, we ended up keeping some good ones, but the rest of them we sent to recycle. All right, then it was time to tackle my shoes. So, you guys want to see some serious bling? My husband bought me these several years ago, and I have only used them a handful of times, but these are definitely my pride and treasure. Look at this. These are from BB. These are my most expensive pair of shoes. Yeah, because I'm not really high maintenance when it comes to shoes, but my husband bought me these and they've always served me well. So, and as you can see, I have them in these little bags to keep the dust off of them. So yeah, these are staying because these spark joy. Alright, so then it was off to removing all the shoes I didn't want, and I found some crazy ones from when I used to work back in the day. I swear it was a daytime office job. Oh yeah, check these babies out. Can you believe I actually used to wear these to work? Okay, so then it was off to dust, and I used my Method wood cleaner. Oh my gosh, the stuff actually smells so good, you guys. I purchased it through my Grove Collaborative subscription. Now I do have a link that you can get free Mrs. Meyer's 5-piece set with your first order, and I'll go ahead and include it below in my description box in case you are interested in checking that out. And this is the carnage left over after I took out all the shoes I didn't want anymore. And then of course it was time to bag all of the stuff that we were going to get rid of. Now my son was all interested in helping us, but as you can see that little one back there, she was more interested in what was happening on that iPad. And these are all the bags of all the clothes we removed from our closets and our drawers, you guys. And then we loaded our truck up and we added a few more things that we already had to donate, and we took it to our local thrift store. And here are those final results, you guys. I am so excited. I love my nice, clean, organized, and decluttered closet. Now, because my husband reduced a lot of the stuff in his closet, now he only has one rack of jackets in my closet. I don't have a lot of purses, but I did keep the ones that were most special to me. And then I made sure to keep my little area for my jewelry. And as you can see now, there's a lot more space between the clothing items, and I'm kind of happy with how everything looks. And because I got rid of so many short dresses that I didn't use, now that bottom rack back there is completely empty. And I got some inexpensive boxes from Walmart to put all of my accessories and belts. This is all the stuff that we folded. These are all the shirts that my husband kept, and we got them divided up. Like, this is my workout drawer, pants and shirts. I've got, this is just regular t-shirts and like just whatever shirts that I just basically put on and run out the door with. And the bottom ones are more like lounge wear and like PJs and stuff. But yeah, fit a lot more of stuff in here. Everything stays a lot more tidy in those drawers, especially my husband's ones. Okay, this is a huge deal for guys. I don't know what y'all's do, but my husband, he pulls one out and it's like a tornado went through it. So I taught him how to properly pull these things out and put them back in, and honestly, this stays like this, you guys. I'm so proud of him. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And I didn't show my husband's closet just because it would make this video way too long, but I hope this motivated you to get into your closets and clean them out. Let me know if you want to see more organizational videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios.